Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do image to image on Stable Diffusion in 2023. Of course, image to image Stable Diffusion is an exciting application of AI that allows us to transform images while preserving their underlying structure and content. So let's explore the steps involved in this process. So make sure to stick by and let's just get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. But before we start, of course, to perform image-to-image stable diffusion, you'll need a data set that consists of paired images. Of course, these pairs should represent the source and target image you want to transform. So, for example, if you want to convert images from a day to night, as an example, your database should include corresponding data time or date time, and night time images. So, of course, if you're just trying, just follow the steps of this video. So, of course, we'll start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow the tutorial steps with. I'm coming here, or I'm using in this tutorial the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open your browser, go to this URL section and simply type stable diffusion and hit the enter button. That should open this for you directly. So simply make sure to go and click on the first link to start using it. Of course, you can even go here and see the public release, which is the normal one, and see a lot of information about it. So as I said, go to their official website to stay informed. So for us, we'll just go and click on the first link. And as you can see here, we have Stable Diffusion Online or web.com. So as you can see, Stable Diffusion is a latent text to image diffusion model capable, of course, of generating realistic images given any text input, cultivates autonomous freedom to produce incredible imagery, empowers billions of people to create stunning art within a second. You can simply create beautiful art using Stable Diffusion Online for free, as you can see. So simply you can click here on get started for free, or you can simply go and click add this prompt database, and that will take you here, as you can see, to the database or to the prompt. So you can see the Stable Diffusion prompts search engine here, explore million AI generated images. So if people like or they did something, you can go and search it from here. As an example, I don't know, house and the forest and night with moon as an example. And click on search, and we will see, as you can see, some people that already did that, and you'll find here the images, as you can see. So they will even show you what they typed here and what they search, and so they can generate this for us. As we said, we'll have to click on start for free, and as you can see, we'll have to simply go here and enter our prompts. So of course, just enter your prompt and click to the generate button. No code required to generate your image. And of course, due to large numbers of users, the server may experience problems. So if you are experiencing any problems, no worry, you'll have to simply wait a bit or go back another time, and it's not going to be a big problem. So as you can see, if you encounter any error, please try again, or you can simply go and try again in the next time, because as I said, maybe a lot of people using it at this time, and it's still just it's a beta version, and it may have some problems. So it's not be any problem. So as you can see, you'll even here have some advanced options. If you want to, as you can see, advanced settings are temporarily available. So they are not available at the moment, but normally you'll be able to enter how much images you want, the steps, the guidance scale and seed, and a lot of other stuff. And of course, if you didn't know what you would like to enter here as a prompt, you can simply go down here and take examples. As you can see, high-tech, solar punk, tubia, and the Amazon rainforest, and a lot of other stuff that you can take as an example. So we can simply click on it, and as you can see, it will be right away pasted here. And of course, once you type whatever you want, click on generate images, and you will have to wait a bit. As you can see, they tell us that it will take 6 seconds. Of course, it could take more, not like it should not be 6 seconds exactly, but as you can see, once it's finished, as you can see, you will have your 4 images here. You'll be able to share it to the community if you want, or simply click on whatever image you like, and you'll be able to save it for your device. And if you click on it, it will go through all the 4 images that generated. Of course, you can even change this as an example. So let's just change this to, as an example, to a red moon. Of course, Let's just try and click on generate images. Of course, this will take maybe 2 to 5 seconds, so we'll have to wait a bit until the process finish. As I said, this may take longer. And as you can see, those are the images prompted or generated by the Stable Diffusion. As an example, you can give it a complex thing as an example. So let's just try an example, or human walking on the sun as an example. And let's just add while the sun is attacking Earth. Let's just try that as an example. And Earth. No, let's just leave it like that, and we can add something in the future maybe. So this will take in 5 seconds maybe, so we'll have to wait a bit of the processing again. And let's see. I mean, this look a bit awkward because it's hard, I guess, to generate, but it's fine. It seems it's kind of get the idea. So let's just do something like nice and easy. Of course, you can go and delete, of course, any images that you didn't like, or simply you can simply just take the image that you want and leave the others if you didn't like all of them. So of course here, as I said, you can simply explore all the options here. Of course, enter all your prompts. Then of course you can even go and explore and open source alternatives, and you can even understand the workflow of it exactly by reading all of this here, so you can get good generated images if you want to. And of course you can even experiment with the text description, then refine and iterate, and of course make sure to share and collaborate once you finish. And like you generated a good image, make sure to share it to the community and collaborate with others, because share your generated image with others and collaborate with the Stable Diffusion community or other platforms dedicated to the AI generated art. Of course, engage with discussions and exchange ideas as an example, and learn from fellow other people, so you can share your work and receive feedbacks, and of course this can enhance your understanding of Stable Diffusion and inspire new creative directions. And of course, as you use your Stable Diffusion, make sure to provide feedback to the developers, reporting any bugs, suggesting improvements, or sharing your experience, and contribute to the refinement on future development of Stable Diffusion. Of course, your feedback will help shape the tool and make it even better for future users. We can even go and try other options from here, from these examples. An example, and generate the images. And of course, this generating images will help you train like this Stable Diffusion AI. And of course, the most important other things that you can do to train this AI is to have your feedbacks and share to the community. So other than that, of course, as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, if you would like to perform the image-to-image Stable Diffusion, you'll need, of course, to click on this link. As you can see here, you'll find like with blue. So simply you'll have to go and click it on this option. And this, of course, if it's your first time, you'll have to go and accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to read them. And as you can see here, you'll be able to generate and even edit some images if you want. That's already generated here. So for us, if you want to generate the image per image, as you can see, we'll have here two prompts. We have here the normal prompt and the negative prompt. As you can see, if you want to avoid everything, simply you'll have to type it here. As you can see, as an example, we can simply go and see what's we write it here. And as an example, I'm just going to avoid daytime. And simply, of course, make sure to accept even the cookies and make sure to click on Dream. Of course, they will ask us to log in. We can log in with our Discord if you want, or with Google. So I'm just going to log in with this. And as you can see here, so just avoid, as we said, daytime, and click on Dream. And as you can see, we will do the image to image on Stable Diffusion. We'll simply have to wait for the process. And as you can see here, so of course we can even go and upload some images. As an example, to do the image on to image with that image, or we can go here and change some settings if you want. We can even go and enhance some of my images. As an example, we can do a lot of other stuff. So if you like anything here, we can simply go and download the image or delete the image if we didn't like it. If we didn't like this one as an example, we can delete it. We can go and edit it if you want. We can set in the as the initial image. As you can see, we can go and look for variation for this image, an example, download it or delete it, as I said. So by doing that, you will simply, or you already now did the image to image stable diffusion. So of course, to reach this point of this video, as you can see, congratulations, you've learned the steps involved on performing image to image stable diffusion in 2023. Of course, with that, you can achieve impressive transformations while preserving the underlying structure and content of the image. Experiment and refine and enjoy the creative possibilities of image-to-image this on Stable Diffusion. So thank you for watching, and make sure to leave a like down below in this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. And happy image transformations, and I'll see you in the next video.